Low maintenance and minimal running costs make our single head grinders a valuable investment for professional contractors. Extra weights can be attached for tough applications, whilst anti-vibration handles ensure operator comfort. With interchangeable diamond and PCD discs, they level and smooth, clean and key concrete, asphalt, stone, resin and terrazzo, removing coatings, surface contaminants, leveling compounds and adhesives. The Liberator 250 is the workhorse of the range. A three-phase machine designed to meet the daily demands of the most rigorous projects. An innovation in product design, the Liberator 250 TP operates with standard site power. With dual motor technology, it outperforms competitors' single-phase grinders and matches the capabilities of three-phase models. Both machines feature easy handling, exceptional balance, and deliver high productivity. The 180 grinder is ideal for domestic and professional use. With its sturdy steel construction and powerful motor, it represents a revolution in removing problematic materials from all types of surfaces. Its compact design is ideal for use in confined floor areas and for edgework. Interchangeable accessories include turbo grinding discs and polycrystalline diamonds for adhesive removal. The 180 grinder is designed for easy storage and transportation. Simply loosen the bolts and the handle folds down. Our hand grinders are a great companion for working in hard-to-reach areas.